Hey guys, this is Britt here with another video for you guys. So I'm doing some cleaning right now, and I decided this was a good time to just show a video of how I clean all my makeup and how I sanitize my makeup and how I clean my brushes and everything. So if you're a freelancer, if you're a traveling makeup artist, or just a makeup artist in general, it's important to clean your tools, clean your brushes, and clean your makeup itself. I did a lot of research, and I'm just going to show you guys how I personally do it. I am a cosmetologist, but I did not go to school for estheticians, but I do have the licensing to perform makeup on some clients. I just can't do certain facials, and I can't do some hair removal. But all in all, I can do makeup on people, and I think sanitation and cleaning your brushes after every use is important. So this is just one of these days where I'll clean everything. The spring cleaning, I guess. But I'm going to pull everything out, and I'm going to show you guys how I clean it and I disinfect it. So without further ado. So this video might be kind of long. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your sponges, well, how I clean my sponges and how I clean my brushes. If this video drags on, I'll put out a part 2 of how to clean your actual makeup itself. It's quite simple, but just for the sake of length for the video, I'll probably break it up into 2 parts. So, yeah. So, for right now, I have this bowl of water. Usually I'll be in a sink doing this. I use this. They have, excuse my nails once again. They have different little, what are these, silicone brush cleaner. It's kind of like a gritty silicone, I don't know what to call this. It's a brush cleaner. So it kind of just helps you to get inside the brush itself. You can see that. You can only do so much on the outside. I like to really get in there. I like to use dish soap. If you don't have regular soap, for specifically for the brushes, some brush cleaner, then you can use dish soap. I haven't had a problem with using dish soap. It hasn't made my brushes any worse quality. They still feel pretty good. They still look pretty good. The only thing I wouldn't use it on is the wood. It might make the wood crack, but this has like metal on the tip, so it's been pretty fine. I got this device right here. One thing I want to say about this, although it does a good job at drying your brush instantly, it doesn't do a good job cleaning. So what you do is you fill this with soapy water and get one of these little attachments here and kind of see which one fits. This doesn't fit all brushes. It's another disclaimer. Make sure it's not going to fall. So the really thin brushes, the ones that are really thin at the bottom, they're not going to fit on this. So they don't have an extra small. So and you attach it to here. It does not come with batteries. You have to get your own. And see, it kind of spins it. And you just dip it in the water. Like that. It seems like it would do a really good job, but it's okay. If you just want something instant, like maybe you just want to dip it in some witch hazel, you could definitely do that. I have some alcohol right here. You can use witch hazel or peroxide. I think alcohol is really harsh. But I don't have witch hazel or peroxide today, so I'm just going to use alcohol. I like to sanitize my brushes, and that's just me. I'm not telling you to go dip them in alcohol because I don't know what it's going to do to the brushes. But you can use witch hazel or you can use peroxide and just leave it in there for like 30 seconds, a minute, just to kill bacteria. And then I kind of dilute it with water. So I'll kind of do that, and it The alcohol helps it dry quickly. So you got your bowl of alcohol. This is usually what I would use this for. Now for cleaning. I did want to show you guys one item. I got this one from Sephora. I have another one from Ross. You can get them off Amazon or Ulta, anywhere. You can pretty much get this anywhere, but this right here, if you're doing a session and you're doing makeup and you only have so many of these blending brushes, right? It's usually the case, especially for me. And you want to switch up the color or something, this really helps. Take off your product so you don't have to waste paper towels or space on your towel that you have down. You just kind of swirl that in there and that takes off the extra product so you won't have any color. You can just dip back into a different color and you won't be messing up your other shades in your palette. So I just thought this would be a really cool thing to show you guys. Really important. I would recommend you have this in your kit. As for this is how I start off, and I like to put a towel down just to keep everything clean. I don't like my brushes to be on the surface. So I just finished cleaning all the brushes. They're still soapy, but I'm gonna let them sit in this alcohol for a few minutes. And then I'm gonna rinse them out thoroughly and set them out to dry. But right now, I'm gonna show you how I clean my beauty blenders. So right here I have some distilled coconut oil. Sorry, I have right here some fractionated coconut oil. And you can find this on Amazon. It's organic. I use these to clean my beauty blenders. So it's fractionated, so it's already in liquid form and it doesn't harden like regular coconut oil. So basically I'll just squirt a little bit of coconut oil on the beauty blender. Just kind of rub that in. And here I got a clean bowl of water, soapy water. So I poured out the other one and put some fresh water in there. You can just, you're gonna just squeeze it in the bowl, right, like so. The coconut oil really helps break down all the makeup that's inside the beauty blender. It looks better already. So in the spots where it's like not really coming out, you just put some more coconut. I'm just gonna squirt a little bit more on here. And just rub it in like this. It's kind of coming up. You want to squeeze it on there because it kind of shifts it around. And then put it back in the water. And that's pretty much all you do. So this is just what I do when I clean my beauty blenders to use on myself. To use on clients, I have these disposable sponges. They work pretty much the same. I mean, it's the same material, it's just in egg shape. So you can pretty much use this one, just dip it in water, use it dry, whatever you prefer. But this I'll use on myself, or if I'm using this, I let the client keep it. Because I feel like it's very unsanitary and you really don't know how clean you're getting this thing. It's a sponge. You know, like kitchen sponges, I hope you only use kitchen sponge for the kitchen, bathroom sponge for the bathroom. Because you really don't know how clean you're making when you squeeze it out. So that's what I would do typically. You can already see the difference in color. These are literally the same color. They don't look like it, but they are. And you can just see all the makeup just come out. You can use a little bit more dish soap as well. Just keep in mind, when you use dish soap, you're gonna have to rinse it out a lot more because, you know, at the end of the day, it's still a sponge. So it's just gonna be really soapy and it takes longer to get that soap out. But if you're okay with rinsing out all day, and do so. But it does make the Beauty Blender look a whole lot cleaner. So I'm going to rinse this stuff off really good, and then I'm going to rinse the Beauty Blenders off, and I'll be right back. Now I'm just going to get the bowl that I used to soak them in alcohol, and I'm just going to use this device to get some of them dry. Not all of them are going to fit these little things, but you know, a lot of them will. So just going to get them as dry as I can. So they're all at least 90% dry. I'm just gonna put them in my makeup brush cup, facing up so they can dry 100%. And that's pretty much it for the brushes. As far as the Beauty Blenders, make sure you squeeze them out as much as you can, because they can mold on the inside. I've had one that has done that before. So make sure, like this one, it's not squeezed out all the way. Make sure you squeeze them out as much as you can. As much as you can. So that way when they dry, they don't still have water on the inside. And you're gonna have to throw it away because it got moldy and mold is bacteria. So you don't want that. It's not good for your skin. So I'm just gonna put my brushes in here and let them air dry, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to my channel. If you enjoy this content and if you want to see more of me, wanted to find this video and had questions to find my video quicker, I want to be able to help everybody, so I would really appreciate it if you do that for me. My name is Britt. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.